Hello, my name is Pranav. I am an employee here at Wire2Air, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Text Messenger homepage from the Salesforce AppExchange. So after installing the application, you will see that this is the homepage. You can view chats with clients, with uh, leads, with contacts, all here, all one-on-one conversations. You can create a new chat and access other pages from here itself. So let's create a new chat. From here, the user can choose whether they want to use a mobile number or make a chat with an existing contact, lead, or user. So for now, I'm going to use mobile. Put in the test number. And on the right side here, you'll see that this is the test phone on the right side. You will see how long it takes for the message to be delivered. So let's just say hello. And within a few seconds, the message has been received. You can also embed files by clicking on the paperclip icon here and attaching the file from the pop-up window. You can also use templates. If you have any for contacts, you can choose them from the pop-up window there. And to access other pages, just hover over the three bars to go on manage templates, account settings, outbound messages, everything. Thank you. This has been how to use the Text Messenger homepage from Wire2Air. Thank you for watching.